Okay, today we are going to demonstrate about this is called the antenna testing, and here we are using the vector analyzer. So what we are doing basically, we are using the two port 1 and port 2. So one we can consider as a transmitter signal, other we can use as a receiver signal. So ultimately we are going to see that like how much the signal is lost during the transmission and the time of the receiving. So on these two vector analyzers, there is a software here, and for measuring the antenna, for example, we have the two antenna here, and this is called the antenna stage. It is automatically controlled, and this is completely automatic setup here. So what we are going to do that like here we can make the programming like they can move x and y, which is called the elevation angle and the azimuth angle, and same time they are going to measure it. For example, here if you can start with the scanning, so you can see that like this is called the y-axis, and this is called, here we can use that for the another antenna if you want to use that, but now we are going to use that. You can see that it is moving, and for the experiment point of view, we are taking the two antenna, one antenna is here and one antenna is here. So the two signals, like we are transmitting the one signal from here and going to here, so we can consider the one port to the two port. So we can see that like once it is just trying to make the zero angle here to start the measurement, and now we are using the called the antenna measurement studio software here. So what they are going to do that they are first started from the zero angle, then they going to the 90, from 90 to again they are doing the another angle of the measurement. So the live demo, if you want to check that, for example, here you can see that this is called the transmission signal is very weak. So how we can verify this one, like once I can bring the signal, once I can bring the closer to there, you can see that there is changes about the 50 DC voltage of the amplitude. The same you can verify that once you can remove from here, so you can see that the live changes is happening there. So the same way we can see the how much loss is happening. So this is called the antenna measurement system and the automatic system of the antenna. हो गया इतना मसाला.